another YouTube video. Please subscribe, like the video, and turn on notification because before we start this video. So guys, as last video we ended off, and two more videos before, Arsenal and oh yeah, Arsenal and what Assassin, yeah, played. So okay, Tara, my friend got Tara. Oh, Siege. Okay, Siege. Wait, I want. Oh, okay. Let me invite him again. It's okay. I guess I like Brawl Ball. Siege. It's fine. Blaze. Okay, it's fine. I'll just play with it. I'll just play Brawl Ball. Okay, with Rico, and I'll just play with him. Easy. What? What is he doing? Bull, stop camping. And why is our health like that? It's just weird. They're probably updating it and stuff. What? Yay! We scored. Not really. Yeah, I do not coming. Peace. That was an easy score. Oh, he's battling. Okay, let me spectate. See. So, Siege. Yeah, he's playing Siege. I commend you to use tanks or Sprout or something that's really good, like long range, or just some brawler that has a lot of health, like Frank's really good at Siege, so I think you should use Frank if you actually play. I think you should actually like. Okay, so I just like the music too. Mm, yes, Sprout can block off. Actually, Sprout best mode is Brawl Ball. See? Nah. Another Rico. 100. I would be really proud if we made it with full health. So. Dynamite's pretty decent brawler too. Let's go there. Okay, no, 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 no. Easy win. Yay! Get my Sprout to rank 15. It'll be great. You get Frank. Frank's. Let me see what brawlers he has. Oh yeah. Huh? Actually, oh Piper. Okay, Piper. Although Piper's okay, Pink Piper. A tank and a long range brawler. Best combination. But Bull and Piper's not the best. I think Sprout and Frank. Um 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 a brawler that can build walls and a tank. Best combination ever. Let me get this Rosa right here. Easy win. Ah! Should I fly? Oh, there you go. Shelly. Ah. Another Shelly? It's gonna be easy. Dude, go that side. What is this guy doing? Oh, he has the gadget. Why so many Sallys? One blast and 17. I didn't think we had so many. Okay, let's dynamite. What? What? Okay. Piper, fine. Okay, fine. I'll do Piper. Piper's like, if you get it to rank 15 or rank 10, Piper's good. And star power, if you get the star power or gadget, Piper's like really good. I'm not a Brawl Stars pro like Lex or the Supercell creators, but I think I recommend Piper if you get the star power for okay. A Shelly. Now we can easily. Oh no! Okay, he died. -2. Why -2? Okay. Okay, let me see. Jackie, decent brawler too. Does loads of damage. Super great. As it's a short range brawler. So, yeah. Bull. I actually wonder how many star points you get after end of season if you get if you have a rank 20 brawler. Ooh. Spike. Wasted super though. No, Gale! I hate you, Gale. At least 3. No, again. Not doing Jackie, I'm doing Bali. Oh, where's Bali? Sprout, fine. Dude, what are you thinking? 2 not tank brawlers. Oh, wow. Dude, you should use a tank. Frank. Frank. Frank tank. Bounce. Don't directly shoot it like that, or else it'll do less damage. If you do that, it'll do more damage. Oh, Anita. Easy prey. And the siege bot's coming. Okay, at least it's gone now. Oh yeah, siege. No. B. Yay, B. B is nice. Pretty, pretty average B, huh? Let's go for shit. I mean shoot. Sorry. Sorry. Ah, yes, finally, Frank! Yay, Frank! Woo, Frank, you're awesome. If your brawler's like very near you, then Sprout's bad choice. I just died.